What's up guys, this is how to change Wi-Fi password on TP-Link router of any model. If you use Tether application by TP-Link, open the app and log into your router. If you don't see your TP-Link router on this page, it means you're disconnected from its network. To fix this, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network of your router. Then go back to the application. You will see your router over here, log in. And on the interface homepage, you will see Wi-Fi settings, so tap here. And here you can change your password, change your network name. If you don't see Wi-Fi settings on the homepage, go to More tab, and you'll see it over here, Wi-Fi settings. Let's change the password now. Tap on Save. Tap on OK here. Wait for a while to wait for changes to be applied. It takes about 30 seconds. Now copy your new password and go to Wi-Fi settings to reconnect your smartphone. Also, you have to reconnect all devices. So now let's try to connect. Connection failed because it trying to connect using the old password, and we need to use new password. So let's tap on icon over here, tap on change password and paste our newly created password. Tap on save, and now let's connect. It's connected. We are all set. Of course, you can change your Wi-Fi password in web browser interface. To do this, connect your laptop to the TP-Link Wi-Fi network and open your browser. In the search bar, type in the following IP address, or also you can type in tplinkwifi.net, hit enter. It takes you to the login page. Enter your device password. If you forgot your device password, the only way to recover it, unfortunately, is factory reset. Now make sure you are on basic or advanced tab. By the way, this interface may vary by router's model, but anyway, you need the wireless menu. So find this menu in your interface, and here you can change your password and your network SSID. That's it guys, hope this was helpful. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.